Okay.
I ain't funny. What are you talking about?
There's a car coming.
I can hear it. Where are we going? But that's rocks, and that hurt my shoes. Ow, ow, ow. See, that's what you done.
Look what you done.
I ain't no funny person. Why are you laughing at me? Yo, mama. Ow, you're running me into this brick wall here. I don't never heard no brick wall. Back in my day, we used sand to build our wall.
Okay.
We used sand. Sand, okay. Ow, there's a dish in this cement covered walkway. Where's we going again? Did we pass the house?
No.
Oh, really? I thought we did. Whoa, there's a footprint in this cement covered walkway. What is that, one of those high-tech automobiles? Is this a her? No, her house? Oh, I thought this was her house. Oh, then where is her house? Oh, it's down here. I see her grandmama car. Whoa, this cement covered walkway has the colors on it. It looks like black stuff. Somebody missed the toilet.
Somebody missed the toilet.
This yard looks pretty decent. Go up onto your porch and see who's home.
Are those blue jeans? Those are some pretty blue jeans. Oh, look at that lip ring. That's sexy.
God! Don't call before you come.
No.
It does very good things.
Look at the camera. I feel like the camera is, I feel like it's, Tom.
Tom from MySpace?
No!
Tom from where?
Here we go.
Oh, the sex ed. Hey, you want to your shirt? Just
Kiss it. Yeah.
Hey, baby. You should add me on AIM so I can talk to him.
Okay, no.
Doesn't mean I want to date him. I just think he's cute. Alright. Stop! What is your problem? Tell him at me. Stop! What is your problem? This ain't country no more. This is the suburbs. Wait, this is the suburbs, aren't it?
I wish that sun was.
Cause I want to come what? I want to come.